I will demonstrate a peerless Inswing casement window, how to detach a quick release limit arm. What you'll do is you'll open your vent and your reveal, your clear opening is 4 inches from your wall return to this point. You will then access the quick release arm, reaching around the end of the casement. It's a T25. You will do about 3 full revolutions, loosening the screw, and then you close the window slightly and you detach the quick release arm. At that point you can now swing the casement window wide open and gain access to the 90-degree concealed hinge. You see the top hinge and then also the bottom hinge. All your hinge adjustments are in this area. This is the example of the base for the quick release of the limit arm.